And welcome to Adosado, Emily. This is a brand new listing in Rio Gordo, which is a beautiful townhouse built around 10 years ago. Lots of mod cons and a big build. We've got 380 square meter build, okay, with various terraces at the front and back. We've got nice decorative balconies at the front here, you can see, with the nice decorative tiles. There's an automatic door for the garage, which is 140 square meters. You've got a front porch here, okay, with a nice solid wooden front door. And you're on one of the quieter streets at the front of the village. Rio Gordo's got all the amenities that you need. There you can see automatic door there. There's roof terraces front and back as well. 4 bedrooms at the moment, with possibility to expand as well. So we're going to take a walk through the main front porch and entrance first. You've got nice mountain views front and back of the street. There's the intercom system there, okay, so you can buzz down to the front door. Nice solid wood front door. This condition of this property is immaculate, okay. Very light, very kind of modern as well, modern rustic. Stairs leading up to the main floor. This door leads into the garage, where you just saw there, the automatic door. Okay, so it's all nicely tiled. You've got drainage in. This is all going to be finished. This is going to be tiled and rendered, these walls here. There's a chimney, okay, so possibility to make further living space. There's also a storeroom here, which is, again, very useful. You've got access to all your pipe work here, right the way along from upstairs. Turn that one off. So you can get 4 vehicles in here easily, okay, plus 2 trailers. There are services for toilet under the stairs there, which is just around the corner. Set very well built, okay. So we're on a fully urban situation here. Mortgage no problem. This leads into your main living, okay. So into a really nice semi-open plan kitchen, lounge and diner. So quality kitchen, dishwashers in, Belfast sink, oven. There's also a small utility room there, okay. So way behind that door. Yeah, nice central island with the lights. Okay, and then air conditioning into your lounge area. Really good quality tilt and turn windows, okay. So there you can see that's off one of the balconies there. And you've got nice open plan lounge diner with this really nice feature staircase at the end there. There's plenty of electric points. Let's say the kind of attention to detail is good. A lot of the furniture is going to be included, okay. Look at that. It's a really nice kind of well finished staircase there. I'm just going to finish this level first. We've got a bedroom here, which is just about to be cleaned out, okay, but it is a twin room, if not a double. General bathroom. Again, really nicely appointed, big windows, plenty of light. And that's the key thing with this, being a townhouse, say like things like white doors. You know, you've got these windows which are double glazed, tilt and turn. Really nice. Covered porch here. Okay. big terrace. Okay, so you've got the terrace at front and back. There you can kind of see. So you could expand that area there, that first room that we've seen. The stairs lead up to an upper terrace, which has balconies off the bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms at the top. There's your electric water heater. Nice barbecue area, again storage, all really nicely tiled. Got lights throughout as well. And I've got to say, your privacy is really good. You're in the middle of a town here, and Rio Gordo is large with all amenities. Okay, so let's go up the spiral staircase and show you the 3 bedrooms and bathroom at the top. So we've got 80 square meters at the top here. We've got 160 on the living, and then 140 square meters for the garage. Okay, so there's basically where I was. There's going to be a railing going in. Okay. There's, yeah, get a better idea of the terrace size. That's lower terrace, upper terrace here. And each bedroom has patio doors leading out onto the terrace, both front and back. So that's the spiral staircase as we saw it. This is the upstairs shower room. Okay, so again, quality, floating sink there, toilet, again nice and light. You've got downlighters throughout as well. Okay, this is the main bedroom. Okay, so there's the triple patio doors. Good size room this. Okay, you got like a vaulted ceiling as well. There's pre-installation air conditioning in all the other bedrooms as well. So you just need that, and this is the front terrace. Okay, so here you obviously get more about the views, more sunlight. Like I say, having those terraces on front and back really does make a difference internally. Like most townhouses are obviously darker with more corridors and less views. Okay, so you can see how quiet it is. Okay, so this is bedroom number 3. Okay, exactly the same, going on out onto that terrace. There you can see the tilt and turn. And then finally, 4th bedroom, which is currently used as a walk-in wardrobe, but again, big enough for a